In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to export video with Voiceovers from Descript, a powerful tool that combines transcription, editing, and video creation in one seamless experience. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to streamline your video creation process, you'll learn everything you need to know to get your voiceovers into your video projects quickly and efficiently. To get started, you first need to upload your video to Descript. Once your video is uploaded, Descript will automatically transcribe the audio. This transcription acts as a script, allowing you to edit your video like you would a text document. You can delete, move, or rewrite sections of the video directly from the transcript. This is where Descript really shines. Editing a video by editing the text is much faster and more intuitive than traditional methods. After editing your video and voiceovers, it's time to export. Head over to the Publish tab in Descript. From here, you have the option to choose the file format and resolution. The most common formats for exporting video with voiceovers are MP4 or MOV. Choose the format that best suits your needs, whether you're uploading to YouTube, Vimeo, or any other platform. Make sure you review your video one last time to ensure the voiceovers are synced properly with the video. If everything looks good, click Export and Descript will render the video. Depending on the length of your video, the process should take just a few minutes. Once it's done, your video will be ready for sharing or further editing in other software if needed. One of the best features of Descript is its ability to add voiceovers directly into the timeline. If you want to replace or add new voiceovers, you can either record directly in Descript or import your voiceover files. Descript even offers a feature called Overdub, which uses AI to generate additional voiceover audio, perfect for those last-minute edits or if you want to make changes without re-recording entire sections. I also want to mention that Descript isn't just great for video voiceovers. It's an all-in-one tool that helps you manage and edit podcasts, screen recordings, and even create captions for your videos, making it one of the best tools for anyone involved in content creation. Plus, you can use Descript for free. Yes, you heard that right. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get exclusive bonuses, including an extended trial period, which means even more time to explore its features and get comfortable using it. Now that you know how to export video with voiceovers from Descript, I recommend you dive in and try out these features for yourself. Remember, Descript is a powerful tool for creators at any level, and with our exclusive offer, you can get started without any risk. Click the link below to get your free trial and start creating professional quality videos with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the extended free trial link below.